Hi everyone, I am Balaji from the PK India team. I will be demonstrating how to digitally sign a Microsoft Word document. I will be using Microsoft Word 2007 version for this. For digital signing, I will be using a USB crypto token that contains a digital signature certificate DSC, which has been issued to me by a licensed certifying authority in India. So now, using this, let us get into the demo. So first let us open the Microsoft Office Word 2007. So let me type something into this document. And before digital signing, I need to save this document. So now we are ready to digitally sign our document. So first let me put in my USB crypto token that contains my private key for digital signing. This crypto token has already been configured in this particular system, so it will be readily recognized by my Microsoft Windows. So there is a prompting from the USB crypto token. This is for first time installers, just ignore this message. Now for digital signing in Microsoft Word 2007, go and click on the ribbon button, Office button. So now you have to go to the prepare menu. In the prepare menu you can see an item called add a digital signature. Click on it. Microsoft Office Word prompts you to take a digital signature service from their Office marketplace, but since we are already having a digital signature in our crypto token, we will ignore this message for the time being. Microsoft Word prompts you and says that you are about to add a digital signature to this document. This signature will not be visible within the content of this document. It also asks for the purpose of signing this document. Let me give something demo, and you can see the signature. The signature is going to be applied by Rajendran Balaji, that is myself, and the public key is being certified by a CA who is called eMudra sub CA, and it is a class 3 certificate, and it has been issued for an individual user, and it was issued in the year 2014. So this is the information that we can find from this particular screen. Now we are ready to sign this document. Let me click on the sign option. So now a PIN is being prompted. This PIN is used to unlock the private key which is kept in my crypto token. As you know, for digital signing, the message digest of the content is taken and passed to the USB crypto token for encrypting with the private key. So that is what we call digital signing. So for accessing my private key, I need to give in the PIN. So that's done now. The signature has been created. The USB crypto token has used my private key for encrypting the message digest, which has been returned back to the Microsoft Word, and now it has been added. So it says signature confirmation. Your signature has been successfully saved with this document. It also says that if the document is changed, your signature will become invalid. So let's click on OK. So here on the right hand side you can see this document contains a signature by Rajendran Balaji, which is a valid digital signature, and also shows the date in which this document was signed. It was signed on 8th of July 2016, and you can also see a certificate an icon which shows that this particular Microsoft Word document contains signatures, that is digital signatures. So you can use it for toggling off this menu, the signature menu, and do it. So if you want to see more details about this digital signature, you can click on this option and click on signature details. So here you can see that Microsoft Office's Word has authenticated the signature, has validated the signature and says this is a valid signature. This signature and the signed content have not been modified since the signature was applied. Purpose for signing up this document, whatever I gave initially is being given here, demo, and it says that it is signed as Rajendran Balaji by using a certificate from eMudra. So now if I want to view the certificate, I can see what certificate has been used. Here you can see the certificate information. This particular certificate has been issued to Rajendran Balaji by eMudra sub-CA for class 3 individual, and the date of validity is being mentioned here. The details about the certificate, you can see the public key of this particular certificate, that is my certificate, which is of 2048 bits and of RSA algorithm, and the certification path also. So Rajendran Balaji is at the leaf level. The certificate for Rajendran Balaji has been issued by eMudra sub-CA, whose certificate can be viewed here by clicking on view certificate. And again you can see the certificate for eMudra sub-CA has been issued by eMudra CA and the validity period and the details of the certificate, their public key. This particular eMudra sub-CA's public key can be seen here, and the certification path. From again the certification path for eMudra sub-CA, it has been given by eMudra CA. Again you can click on view certificate and see the eMudra CA certificate which has been issued by CCA India 2014, the validity period as well as the public key of eMudra CA also. And now again go to the certification path. You will see CCA India 2014 certificate, which is at the top level, root certificate. So you click on that. Here you can see this certificate has been issued to CCA India 2014 and issued by CCA India 2014 itself. So it is a self-signed certificate because both the certificate issuer and the issued are the same. And you can of course see the public key of the CCA India also, and the certification path you will see it's at the root level. So this is the complete hierarchy of the certificates which are there. So let us close all this. So now we have successfully appended a digital signature to this Microsoft Word document. In this version of Microsoft Word, if you try to change the content after digital signing, it will not take it. So let us try typing something here. I'm typing, as I am typing, you can see at the bottom this modification is not allowed since the selection is blocked. So this is what the message the Microsoft Word 2007 says here. So thank you for watching. Happy digital signing.